when was the lowest moment of your life? At ano yung nangyayari? Bakit naging lowest moment yun? Dahil ba masakit? Dahil ba mahirap? Dahil ba magulo? Dahil ba nakakatakot? Dahil ba anumang dahilan? Iba-ibang klaseng dahilan yun. When was the lowest moment of your life? So makikita natin yung the human misery, no? Na lahat na tayo, sabi nga natin, pinagdadaanan natin iba-ibang klase, iba-ibang degrees, but we all go through difficult moments in our lives. But we also find a Jesus that comes and shows compassion for us. Kahit hindi natin hinihingi. Minsan hinihingi natin pero matagal dumating. Siguro hindi pa time. But always, God comes in various ways, in various forms, to answer to our needs, to supply our needs, to give hope and life to others. Miserable life, si Jesus, source of compassion and hope and life and meaning. Kanina, tanong natin sa ating sarili, what was the lowest moment of our life? Siguro ngayon, pwede natin tanungin ang sarili natin, dumating ba si Jesus doon sa lowest moment na yon? Nagkaroon ba ng resolution? Naayos ba yung problema? Nagkaroon ba ng peace of mind and peace of heart? Naging settled ba yung buhay natin? And more important question, do we become a source of compassion and resolution and peace to others? Tayo ba nagiging representative ni Jesus Christ dun sa mga lowest moments of other people's lives? Do we allow ourselves to be there for them? To show compassion, to show that they're not alone, to show that Jesus is with them through us? Do we allow ourselves to be a sign of compassion and love and life for other people?